Sustainable development and many other adaptation and mitigation factors will be required by communities in near future years to acclimate to threats for climate change. For instance, Sydney, Australia will face greater water shortage, rising sea levels, brush fires, heat waves, and more due to a changing climate induced by anthropogenic activity. Sydney is vulnerable because it lies on the southeastern edge of Australia, exposed to sea level change, increasing storm events, extreme heat and drought, and brush fires. This city is also home to 4,859,432 people as of 2019, plus tourists that often visit this area to swim at beaches, stop at landmarks, and much more. Australia is one of the many places on Earth that will experience more extreme weather events. In their case, drought, heat, and rising sea levels are on the forecast. This means that the already desert-like regions here will become even hotter and drier, and coastal areas such as Sydney could possibly become inundated. Communities in and surrounding Sydney in coming years will have to adapt to these extreme weather events if they expect to stay in the area. It is even possible that in the future, citizens here would have to migrate to inland areas due to sea level rise. Therefore, communities will have to sustainably build infrastructure to withstand the forecasting climate change. This includes planting trees and other vegetation for shade, shelter, and cooling, constructing roads and buildings that can handle the heat, considering changing precipitation patterns and how to be more sustainable due to water shortages, and planning for changes in future building codes and changing city decisions on multiple factors. Overall, communities in Sydney must be resilient by anticipating, accommodating, and recovering from extreme weather events.